So good afternoon, whoever is joined. So welcome to the session. Something very different today. We have 2 minutes more to go, and we'll give 1 minute more to all of them to join. So let's see how many of them come or everybody. I request whoever is in the chat, please ask your all the friends and everybody who can join. I just given the live link. If you want, I can paste it here itself, the live link to all of you. Attendance, direct link to live. So you can share this link quickly if some of them can join and all. So we have another 1.5 minute now. But I'll tell you that one next 90 minutes will transform your life. There is no doubt about it. I promise it. Here it's going to be a different and very practical oriented workshop because I'm going to give you the action plan at the end of this workshop. So once we start, next 90 minutes, please ensure that when you are completely with me and you are taking each and every point, take a notebook, take a pen, plan it up all things exactly how you're going to work out. And I'm going to show you the some simple things which will be reduce your weight by 2 kgs, 3 kgs in even in a 3 days exactly. So it's going to be a something very amazing session. So let's it's already exactly sharp 3 o'clock. So we'll start now. So, guys, welcome to each and every person to this amazing immune booster and weight loss secret webinar on the 6th or 7th International Yoga Day. Actually, it is 2014, it was proposed, and it is started in 2015. So, there is a little bit of confusion in that part, but it is exactly officially as per the WHO or all these things. It is the 6th International Yoga Day. That's going to be happen and going to celebrate on the Sunday. But now I want to welcome each and every person once more who are joining, still are joining. Let them join, not an issue at all. So, good afternoon to each and everybody for this beautiful immune booster and weight loss secret. This is a time we are going to the human history where first time after maybe 150 years or something like that way we are suffering, we are seeing, and we are really going to a tough time regarding the health. Everybody is afraid talking about the corona and all these things. So let's me welcome all of you. Now take your pen and pencil. It's very important. I'll tell you why. Because now we are going to do a exercise. Next exercise itself is the most important part. I really don't want to take more time to introduce myself, but my story itself is a very simple story. It's like it's a story of bouncing back. So 5 6 years back, being into the very different mode of not even moving and not even understanding what is my purpose of the life because of a very rare disease what I was suffer to today what I am doing and helping thousands and thousands of people. So this is a story of bouncing back. But today I'm more interested to give more practical aspects, and I hope so. Lot of who are already in this group knows about this story, but still this story will inspire you in a coming particular part. So what I told you that one, please take your pen and please see are you really healthy or not. So this is what I promised today. First thing, assess your health. So now we are going to access your health now into this particular moment now. So health is wealth. So no amount of wealth can make one happy if the health is not good. Please take a moment to assess your health by answering the below 10 questions. Simple answer, it is yes, no. So just take a pen and take a paper. And if your questions has the, a correct answer like a yes, give yourself 1 mark. If it is no, give it a 0 mark. So simple. So now let's take the first question. I sleep peacefully and feel energetic and active in the morning when I wake up. Simple logic, not to be have big questions. When you go to the sleep and when you awake, how you feel, that is the question now. So please answer this question. Either it can be yes or it can be no. Nothing else. If it is yes, give yourself 1 mark. That's it. Second question is I get free motion in the morning and I have no signs of constipation. So this is very important question now. What is the criteria now here for this particular part where you have to assess yourself your constipation or not? See, please understand one thing. If you go more than once, sorry, more than two actually. See, going 2 times it's a natural part. Even you are going 1 time, that is something it's not correct. When you're going 2 times for the motion, if you go 2 times for the motion, then understand that one you are a very healthy person. But again, understand there is a criteria for this one. When you go to the morning and when your motions are very free and easily is happening, and that is the where part exactly, like criteria to know about that one, you don't have constipation. But if you have to go multiple time, or even like you are spending more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes into the toilet, then you have the constipation. um, One of the naturopath, actually, Dr. Louis Kene, explain about this particular part. I'm getting little bit of more time because some people are still joining and all these things. So we are assessing your health now. So in this one, like you get a free motion in the morning and have no signs of constipation is the one of the most important criteria for the health. So when you go to the toilet and within few seconds, you get a motion in a very sync manner, in a one stroke, there is no bad smell, and it is like a, like a, that mucus is like a one, and it is like a rope. This is what he explained more. See, it will be a little bit uncomfortable for the some people who are not explored the naturopathy, but whatever it may be, please understand that one. This is the most important criteria to check you are healthy or not. I'll tell you 9 questions are one side and this question is one side. Please. Then in the last 90 days, I have not got fever, headache. If you got some issues are there, definitely means you have to take care of your health. Yes or no? Be honest. And I feel 99.99% people will be into this category. So it's absolutely fine. Not in this one. Fourth question is my energy levels are high and I can walk 2 kilometers non-stop. Simple but very important criteria. You don't have to go to doctor. You don't have to go to the doctor. You don't have to all these things. If you answer these questions, you'll understand your health is in a proper directions or not. So if you can go and walk 2 kilometers without anything, your health is absolutely beautiful and nice. Means it's check your cardio actually. Second part about the cardio is that you can climb the stairs, like 100 stairs in 10 minutes. So you can do this experiment actually. This itself is a beautiful part. Just try. Go for the 100 stairs. Can you do them into the 10 minutes or not? Actually, it's like a climbing, not going down. Going down is very simple. Climbing is the issue. So can you climb 100 stairs in 10 minutes? If you can do and you don't have out of breath, then please understand that you have the beautiful health. Then you consume 50, 100 gram, means at least half kg of the fruits and raw vegetable. I see 99% people don't actually consume, or they don't use that one exactly, like this amount of fruits and the vegetables. So please understand that one is important part. Then currently I don't have a pre-diabetic or any type of pre-diabetic, blood pressure, or any type of disease, and which needs action immediately. Anything. See, understand diabetic itself is you are not in the healthy. If you have the diabetes or you have the blood pressure or you have the asthma or you have the thyroid issue or you have any type of the health issue, definitely you are not coming to this one and you have the health issue. So definitely these 10 questions are not really applicable for the people who has already some type of known disease, because they are not healthy. It's so simple. For myself also, even I am running this program, everything, I don't come into this whole category at all exactly. Uh, then afterwards, I am doing 30 minutes of yoga, walking, exercise, everything. The people who are there join from the different areas, mainly from the Intel, they're doing 1 hour of yoga. That's what we see. So please understand that one. This is very important things. So are you doing, like this yoga daily or not? This is very important criteria again. Please mark these things will be change your life. Then I want to improve over my all immunity level considerably. That mindset is there or not? Please understand your mind is directly proportional to your health issue. Absolutely, your mind is directly proportional to your health issue. Understand these things. Your mind is plays a very important role. At least did you have the wish, did you have the feeling that when you want to be get completely read, or the, means you have to come up this one. Now if I go back to my story, doctor told me that one, I cannot walk, I cannot do this one, my problem can be go increase more, and like it can be go to the very fatal also. But still I come out of that one, I am doing it, and I have a positive mindset that I will definitely run a marathon in coming years. Definitely. So this is one of the very important criteria. Exactly, you have to be work on this particular part. Then it's come at then your positive attitude. So check your BMI and check your weight. Simple formula that one you are in a perfect weight or not. Very simple formula. Just take your height in the centimeter. Like my height is 167 centimeter, minus 100 minus 4. So 167 minus 100 is 67 minus 4. 63 is the absolutely fantastic weight for me. Anyway, I am maintaining 5960. That is extremely these things. But that 57, sorry, that 63 is the ideal weight. So what? Your height in centimeter minus 100 minus 4. So simple. If that is your weight, then you are perfect. If it is less or if it is more, actually more is the big concern. Even little bit less, it's not an issue at all. So please understand this is very, very important thing now. Now, if you see, there is a criteria given to you. So now if you see it here in my SS book, if you have more than 8, please make a total now. And if you have more than 8, I'll tell you at least you come into the category that you can call you as a healthy person. Now anybody has 6, 7, in between 5 to 8, they will be considered as the moderate health. Okay, fine. Still you have a lot of improvement. You have to, like give little bit of attention, little bit of improvement is required. You have to work on your immunity. You have to work on all this water part. That is definitely there. But okay, at least okay. But anybody who got less than 5, I'll tell you, please take a action now in this moment itself. Your health is the first concern in your life apart from anything else. There is a 7 areas of life where we always work. Health means like your body, mind, soul, your relationship, your family, society, and career. All 7 areas are really, really important. But one area out of the 7 areas will be like it's called as a firefighting area. So if you got anything less than 5, please understand this is a firefighting area now. So your first preference to work on your health area, because that is what will be create a miracle in your life, and that's what will create the like a different things in your life. So please understand this is a very, very, very important part. So this was about the health. Now if I come to the next part, see, homicide is 0.8% of deaths, and diet related diseases over 60%, but nobody talks about it. See, I don't want to go to today's this corona and everything and virus and all these things immediately now, because that will be coming to the future. But what I'm telling to you here, see, the 60% people dies because of the food habit, because of the lifestyle diseases. People dies of TB, like every year, then total people died in the these current circumstances. But are we talking about that? People dies with the heart problem is equivalent to the people who died into like last 6 months in every year. Every year. People dies with the cancer, the more number of there. But now actually nobody talks about the root cause of these diseases. These are all the lifestyle diseases. And that's what this person actually, a chef turned out to become a food revolutionary, Jim Oliver talking about, and he raised the question. See, the 60% deaths in the world are now because of the food, because of the lifestyle. Can we talk about it? Nobody talks about it. Nobody talks about it because nobody's interested in that one. See, people are getting billionaire by selling you the junk food. And there is a chain. The moment you get junk food, you go to the doctor, you get the problem, you get a lot of these other things. You'll end up into the doctors, then pharmaceutical industry goes down. Then again you become a weak, again you take another type of solutions. And see, this is the dead cycle. It's like a cycle. In this dead cycle, human being is exactly, like a going down more and more. Nowadays, virus is not the cause exactly. Telling honestly, see, viruses comes only when you have the less immune system, when you don't have the healthy lifestyle, you have the issues with your mind, you have the issue with the stress, you have the issue with your complete lifestyle. So please understand, my dear friend, this is what is very, very important. What knowledge you are sharing and everything, it's very authentic, very honest. Then why this immune booster, weight loss and everything is a false claim, or this is toxins is a culprit? See, that's when we talk about, like I launch a program like immune booster, diabetic reversal, blood pressure control, and weight loss. I can combine all of them. And then I told, then people think, oh sir, it is not one, it is so many. You are doing any false claim or you are making us fool. Please understand one thing, in naturopathy, in nature cure, everything is considered as a lifestyle and the toxins are the culprit. I'll come to this point exactly, will explain you. See, now this is a tree, beautiful tree I got from the, like a plant-based organization. So they talk about the disease. So this is beautifully explained. Nowadays, people talks about obesity, diabetes, cancer, autoimmune disease, heart disease, multiple sclerosis, like a blood pressure, migraine, and sinus problem, this problem, that problem. These are all the effect. But are you talking about why this problem is happen? Did you went to the root cause of this problem? Oh, I have some problem of cancer. Now you go and take the like a radiation. If you have problem with the headache, you go and take the some headache pin. Your obesity, now you initially tried, oh, it is a disease or something, then you go for the bariatric surgery, or you try so different types of very unhuman type of experiment, and then you land up into the different types of traps, my dear friend. And these are the fruits. See, you have to change the fruits where you have to do. See, if some fruits is very toxic or some fruit is not proper, where you have to address now. Can you change the fruit now? Fruit is already toxic fruit. Can you change the fruit or you have to change the root? Please type where you have to do change, at the fruit level or at the root level. Please type about that one, where you have to change. Just take 1 or 2 minutes. Please understand whatever I talk to till now. The first part I given you, assessment of your own health. Please type where you have to address the issue. I'm giving you the pause because I don't want to preach you. I done that work for 20 years and I seen that transformation is not happen with the preaching. Transformation is not happen with the talk. Transformation is only when people really, like it hits to the heart. Then only the transformation is happen, or else this is all dikhawa, time pass. You attend one another webinar, you attend everything and nothing will be happen. Yes, everybody, it's a common sense. You have to address the root. You have to address the root, my dear friend, definitely. But we don't talk about that one. See, the processed food, immune imbalance, structural imbalance, inflammation. We are sitting the whole day in front of the computer nowadays. Inflammation is the term actually. Everything is start with the itis, diabetes, like arthritis. What is this itis? Itis is nothing but swelling. Then inactivity, air pollution, no proper food, no organic food, no proper water, hormonal imbalances, chemical exposure, animal products, lack of sleep, lifestyle. These are all issues actually creating our life hell. But we are not addressing the root cause. Now see, somebody is getting the headache every day. Now he's not getting a proper sleep, and now he's going and taking the doctor treatment. Somebody getting a depression. What is the root cause of depression, my dear friend? One or another part of this, all things together will be the part of that one game. You have to understand. I'm going to cover a lot of important point today, but please understand the threat. What is the threat and the cause? Identify the treatment and the cause. Identify the root cause itself actually. Where it is starting, from where it's starting. See, when you know when from it's starting, you can fix up that one. If the drainage line is, like a break, and everywhere the drainage water is going on, if you fix in between and you don't understand the root cause, what will happen? The road will be spoiled every moment, my dear friend. Same is happening with the human health. Please remember these things exactly. So now I'm going to give you today something called as a miracle concept out of my whole naturopathy doctorate concept, out of my whole whatever I told you about the health. See, if anybody come to the naturopathy doctor, he is interested in only one thing. It is maybe a cancer at the 4th level, or it is a diabetes, or it is uncurable disease as per the medical science, or whatever is there. It is a incurable, whatever is there exactly in all this part. So whatever is there, a naturopath is interested in only one thing. See, my background is related with the yoga, naturopathy, food-based diet, like a complete life transformation program, life coach program, international wellness coach. So many things are there. I done hundred and hundreds of experiments. So whatever I'm going to share you, it is very authentic and unique. I'm not telling that one. Everything is, like at the end, knowledge is what? Knowledge is there in this universe. I'm not a creator of any knowledge. It's everything is existed. Only thing that one, are you understand that one or not? And did you apply in your life or not? See, Jivne Shakti is called life force. It's called as a vitalistic also, or it's called as a curing power also. See, there is no proper word actually I got. Vitality is one word comes exactly there, but I didn't found out exact equivalent when to the Jivni Shakti or Pranic Shakti. See, what is Jivni Shakti or Pranic Shakti? Please understand that Jivni Shakti or Pranic Shakti is your own body's capacity to bounce back. See, there is maybe hundreds of people who got diabetes, but actually 20 people died with so many complications. 30 people actually managed with the medicine. 50 people even don't do any medicine, anything, but they are living more and more happy and more healthy than all these 50 people. What is that one? See, nature is giving you the curing power. Understand. So your body is doing detoxification every moment. See, your cell is created, cell is die, cell is created, cell is die, cell is created, cell is die. What this mechanism is goes? This is nothing but your curing. This is nothing but your life own life force which is keep on working. But what happened in the disease condition when your life force either go down or your life force is not working properly? In that moment, this happen. Now, Juni Shakti do three works. See, things is Juni Shakti is exactly which do your digestion. Juni Shakti is required for all three important part of your life. Your body, total body nourishment. You can see the slide. Total body nourishment means what? Whatever you eat now. See, somebody eat very healthy food, but still is not healthy because there is a issue at the mind level, there is a issue at the pranic level, there is a issue at the life force. So that time, this is the very important part. You have to understand that when this vital power or this curing power or this life force is not exist itself, then naturopath can also not do it anything. And actually, with your age, actually your life force start going down. That's why some of the naturopaths don't take the cancer type of things or very chronic diseases. Because what happened actually, where organ is already damaged and the pranic shakti is already depleted very badly. But these are the three functions: total body nourishment, detoxification of your body. That's what I told you. Every moment your body do detoxification. Your urination, stools, sweating, your breath, like even getting the pimples or like whatever is that part, it's all, even getting the fever is part of the detoxification. So that's what the work of you do it down. And then you regenerate your body. So that's what the capacity of your body. That's why some people ask me sometime, can we regenerate our body? I told you that when you are made of the one zygote, zygote, what is zygote? Zygote is even, like if you divide a tip of your hair into the 1 lakh time, even your zygote is smaller than that one. And the zygote is the reason for your birth. That's Siemens actually. So that is the birth, if you now with that small zygote, you become now this 70 kg, 65 kg of the such a beautiful human being, and so many organs are created. So if you are converting to that, why not any type of organ can be regenerate? Why can't any type of organ can be, like a restore, repair, restore, and regenerate? This is the difference between the alternative healings, and this is the difference between the modern allopathy, where allopathy told these are the incurable disease. Once you got a cancer, you got diabetes, you only got the asthma, you got the thyroid, chapter is closed. But no, dear friends, chapter is not getting closed there. Chapter is not going close there, my dear friend. Chapter is start. Use your power of repair, restore, and regenerate, and your life will be changed. So let's me take a 1 minute break. Any questions or doubt till now? I am coming now to the very solution part. Next slides, what you're seeing, this is exactly going to be, like a talk about a lot of other things. So we'll come to them exactly. So let me know if anybody has any questions or doubt till now. So please understand, it is not important how much is covered. It is important that one, what message you took and what you're going to implement in your life. So take a 1 or 2 minute break and please understand where is the issue. So take 1 or 2 minutes. Please type whatever you learned till now. Please type at least. Let's me have the another way. Please type whatever you learned till now. Please write whatever you learned till now. Sandeep is telling identify the root cause. Yes, that is the most important part of this game at all. I'll come to this. Lifestyle is most important. Yes, that's what lifestyle will be make you or break you exactly. That's so simple. So this is the 25th minute of this particular webinar. Health is very, very important and your body can help. Yes, your body has that all mechanism. Everything is into its own to completely heal your body. There is no doubt about that one. Yes, you can restore our health by proper lifestyle. That is the root cause. I'm coming to your point because I believe on the solution. I don't believe on the theory and all these things because they don't work. Given you too many slides, given you too much of knowledge, and at the end you don't understand anything, it's not going to be work out. You cannot. Now let's move to the next part. Now I talk about the three things that your Jivni Shakti does to you. Means everything is depends on your Jivni Shakti or your life force. Now, what are the way you can increase your life force? What are the seven things to increase your Jivni Shakti or life force or your vitality or curing power? So we are going to discuss about that one now. The seven thing. Please see the slide. There is a beautiful slide with all the seven things are available now. Take one point at a time. The first part into this one is called as a sleep. See, always people think that one food, 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 food. But I'll tell you in this sequence, food comes fifth position. Food comes fifth position. Yes, my dear friend Dilip, Jivni Shakti is the most important to cure anything. If Jivni Shakti is lost, everything is lost. And if Jivni Shakti is there, there is even the chances of recreating your cartilage, recreating complete health, complete body system. And that is the hope. See, how will happen and everything. There is no 100% guarantee. Every person is different. Every mindset is different. Every life force is different. Lifestyle is different. So people will ask, give us the 100% guarantee. How we can do the 100% guarantee? It is depends on your journey. It is absolutely depends on your journey and what journey you are going through. It depends on that one, my dear friends. So the first point in this one is called as a sleep. People always takes the food and water and everything this one, but actually in life force, the most important, the first, I tell you this is the sequentially. The most important first factor is the sleep. Now I can talk another 3 to 4 hours only on the sleep. Anyway, it is like a script is ready. I have to upload my video on the sleep. I will upload that one. Sleep is the most important part of this life force. Then how much time of sleep? I will come to that point. See, that is something very interesting. Deep sleep is very, very important. Quality of sleep is very important. That was the question. When you wake up in the morning, did you feel to conquer the world or you feel, oh, another day, I have to go to the office. What to do now? Monday it came. Now Saturday, Sunday was very good. And what they done Saturday, Sunday, drink and sleep. That lifestyle will not take anywhere to anybody to anywhere exactly. And this is just the starting point, my dear friend. Please understand. This is a transformation period we are going now. India has a very unique, healthy, unique, this young population. But if they don't take care of their health, next coming 15, 20 years, it will be very, very different type of epidemic. I told you already that diabetes is the biggest threat to our country. The amount of money India spend on diabetes is huge, huge, huge. All the lifestyle diseases, not only one of that one. So first it's sleep. People always actually miss on the second part. That is a sunlight or D vitamin. I'll tell you, my dear friends, see, you can get anything, but you cannot buy these seven things. This is still correct. You can buy the bed, but you cannot buy the sleep. You can buy the D vitamin sachet, but you cannot buy the D vitamin. That's what I was just want to tell you the dialogue. See, this D vitamin efficiency is so common. The city like where I stay in Bangalore, now out of 100, 60, 70 people has this issue now. It's not matter what type of, in software, it is more than 90%. D vitamin is the most important ingredient for so many things that it takes. If anybody is interested, I will provide them the documentation. This is the very, very important D3 and B12. If you come to the vitamin levels, if you talk about that one, this is the very important. Then third part we require is a clean air. You will not get the clean air in the cities nowadays. Clean water. Where is the clean water? Which one is the best water to drink? Is that water actually which is of the either of the very good non-toxic well or the water of the river where the river is very clean and neat and flowing. Now you cannot get this water, this type of water even into the Himalayas now. There also pollution is happening. We missed all the bus, my dear friend. We are really living in a life which is a pathetic life now. Telling honestly, we are going for the we are thinking about the Audi, Mercedes, big bungalow, big things and everything, but we are not thinking about the clean air, clean sunlight, proper 8 hours of sleep, a clean water, and a clean food. So these are the four natural elements. If you see, these are nothing but the panchatattvas. Your body is made of these five elements. All of you know five elements, correct? What are the five elements? What are the five elements? Let's take a break. What are the five elements? Please type if you know the five elements. Already four elements are covered into this one. All five elements covering all these seven steps exactly. But let me see how many of you are aware of this one. It called as the beautiful. It's called as the five elements. Your body is made of the five elements. Your mind is made of the five elements. Your soul is made of the five elements. Yeah, soul maybe like we not seen and we don't have that much of knowledge, so I don't know. But at least your body and mind is made of this particular panchatattvas. So what are these five elements? What are these five elements? Prashant is telling water, air, fire. Air, water, fire, space, and earth. Shashi, absolutely right. Absolutely right. So, like a nice air, water, fire, space, and earth. Can you see? Everything is there. And what is the secret? Actually, in the sleep, you get all the five elements. Why the sleep is so important? Because you get all the five elements into the sleep, my dear friend. All the five elements. All five elements. Indirectly, I'll tell you whatever water you drank, whatever food you had, whatever, a immune system is working, what your nervous system is working, parasympathetic nervous system, ANS, PNS working, everything is controlled into the sleep. So this sleep is so important, my dear friend. Then your sunlight, I told you sunlight, there is nothing, no medicine like sunlight. If you get a proper sunlight, you can create, you don't require any food. I know the people who are actually, surviving only on the water and the sunlight. They don't require the solid food or physical food. I've seen the people like that way. Years together, they survive just on the water and the sunlight. But anyway, I don't want to go into the contradictory subject or some other things. But I'm telling that much is the power in the sunlight is there. Clean air, very, very important things, my dear friend. Each and every organs of your body should touch, it should come into contact with the clean air, clean water. You can keep on talking about the water. Lot of experiment done on the water. A water has the emotions. Water changes frequency, water changes shape, depends on your mentality, depends on the environment, depends on what you talk, what is your mental conditioning. I will share you the Japanese scientist experiment where he shown when you talk positively, beautiful shape of the water is created, and when you talk negatively, how that water is also get contaminated. Then what people I keep on talking, and one of the most important root cause is a food. Now food can create your health or food can break your health. And nowadays that's what is mentioned in the 60% people who dies, they dies because of the food nowadays. And then you can add another 30% to other things. See, the people dies in the war, the people dies is because of the viruses are not even 2% of the whole population. People dies because of the lifestyle diseases, people dies because of the all these food related diseases are more than 80%. Then two very important parameter naturopathy talks about, because that will again make you or break you. Always think positive. Thinking positive means what? Be in a happiness state, be in a peaceful state. Yourself, you motivated yourself exactly. You are expressing yourself. There is no double standard in the life. You are expressing. Nothing to be, see, you want to achieve something fine. But are you enjoying this journey? Or you are just waiting for the destinations to happen? So this think positive is very important thing. Optimism is the one part. That's why I call it the Asha ki Kiran. Hope of rays, rays of hope. See, if I should have accepted a doctor what he told me 6 years back. I should have finished my life long back actually. So this is a beautiful thing. See, this hope, optimism can break you or actually make you, and you will feel very strong. Your immune system is depends on the thinking. That's it. Your immune system is directly proportional to your thinking pattern. Are you are having that bubbling energy, positive energy, or you are always into that negative energy and always in the negative mindset? This is depends on you, my dear friend. It will break you or it will make you. Then last but not the least, I'll tell you this holds a very, 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 very important in current circumstances, in this current situation. Stay away from negative people. They have problem for every solution. Here it is not only negative people, negative media, WhatsApps, groups, social media, TV, news, everything. See, if you see what positivity is there, not a single person are talking about positivity. Either is the fight, is the war, it's the negativity thing, is somebody's killed to somebody, something is happened. I know we are completely into that mindset only. And people, actually people who are exactly is the root cause of your problem. If they are negative, see, when you tell, I want to do something nice today, I want to do this something, oh, I'm going to start the gym, then somebody will tell you, you're telling talking from this one from 5 years, keep quiet, keep shut up. they will not even allow you or motivate you, but they will pull your legs down. And I'll tell you, this is very important part, because these negative people will be a completely um, spoil. These negative people will be completely take out your life, my dear friend. Please understand. And I'll tell you, if you are not very positive, you cannot deal with negative very strongly. You cannot deal it. So best way is that one, press shift del button for the people or the media or the news sources, whatever it's from, anywhere it is coming to you. Please keep the negativity away, because if you cannot stick or if you cannot work with that negativity, nothing will be happen. The life will be hell. You don't require anything. That's why that's a lot of quotations are there. That five friends or the five people whom you stays, that will decide your life, quality of your life. So please understand. If I'll give the exercise, I'll give 1 minute. So whatever come to your mind, find out five negative people or negative things actually that's impacting in your life. Please write into the paper now. I'm giving you 1 minute. I don't want to give theory to you. I stop that one. I want to give the solution. Please write of five people or five things, whatever is the combination also, but that five things which actually creating negativity in your life. I want everybody to do this exercise. Please take the pen and paper, write that five people or five things actually which affecting your positivity, affecting your life, pulling your leg down, pulling your consciousness down, making you negativity. If anybody want to share, they can share, but at least put into the group that we done. Now what you have to do, I'll tell you next. Once you return, please update into the chat. Done. We have 44 people, 45, 45, 44 people I can see going and up and down now. Whatever is maybe is there. So I want a response from everyone. I'll tell you why. Because doing exercise is more important than knowing the things. Write these five things, five people. I'll tell you. Now the news is one of the source. Newspaper can be another source. I didn't find out anything positive in our newspapers or the news channels till you're not selecting some bhajan or satsang or some that type of challenge exactly. So like another 30 seconds. I want everyone to complete this one. Anyone, and maybe there is a person in your life, they will always talk about the problem but not about the solution. Write their name also, because they are the problem of, they are the root cause of your lot of problems exactly. Okay, please don't tell me that one. It can be your spouse now. If it is there, let it be. But what you have to do it now, in that case, you have to increase your positivity. That's all. There is no other option so easily. Yeah, but sometimes if it is too much of bothering or something is going, please take a professional help and come out of that one. I see only six people, not even six, I think so, three, four people only updated. Take another 30 seconds. Yes, somebody put social media, critics, pessimistic people, thinkers, newspaper. See, this is like a very, not a proper answer exactly. See, pessimistic thinkers. Who is pessimistic thinkers? Write down their name. I don't want them to, somebody to label. I want to write their name. Write the name practically here. It can be any person in your life. Maybe it can be your father also sometime. You want to start some business and you want to do something which is your ikigai or your passion, and your father is telling no, you have the like a good job, you have everything, but now that's what is there. Like this is I discuss in my ikigai program also lot. I told the purpose is there, but lot of people will be pull your leg down every time. Write their name, my dear friend. Don't put the theoretical concept. Put practically name of the person who is pulling your legs down. Now make a four fold of that paper. If it is in the notebook, tear it up now. Make a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 folding like that way. I not done the exercise with you, so I don't have that one. But if I come to the paper, take the paper now, make it a 4 fold, 5 fold, whatever fold you want to do. Like I'll just give the example. Suppose this is the paper I have. Take this paper, make it like this, then like this, then like this, then tear it up. See, it will be like a little bit pressure is required, but once you tear it up, once the pressures will be reduced, then second time out this one. And then actually I'll tell you, just if you have these five names, throw them into the dustbin. That's it. Do this experiment. Throw them in the dustbin. I'll tell you, the moment you throw in the dustbin, there is a lot of peace. This moment itself is that you are deleting these five resources which are making you negative. Maybe you can do exercise for the each and every area, but this is the one of the most important exercise because people never understand what is by negativity. And if you are yourself is the source of negativity, then you have to work a lot on your mindset. You have to work on your current character set. You have to change your personality 360-degree. Yes, that's what I seen. Ishwar is told about that. And sometimes myself, yeah, you may be the reason for a lot of people's misery exactly. Now write your name also. Delete them now. Like you are taking out your negative self-image and you're throwing it out now. You are throwing it out, absolutely practically throwing it out completely. It's absolutely fine. This is absolutely fine, my dear friend. Everybody cannot be 24 by 7, 365 times positive. Only thing is that one, there is a beautiful story I was seeing. Actually, somebody put into the, like a group where they're talking about how the negative thoughts is become this one. See, like there was a boy who was very negative. So his father was got fed up and he has problem for every solution. So he got fed up. Then he talks to one of the very nice teacher and told then teacher want to teach him practically. He took him to the, like a garden. Then he asked him to pluck just simple, like a grass from the root. So he is able to pick like this way. Then he asked him to, like a pick it up something like a little bit bigger grass. Then he asked him to pick out the bush. Now bush he required little bit effort. Then he asked him to something to take out something like which is a grown bush. Now he has to put on efforts. Then he shown him to the tree and told him that one now lift up the tree. Then he asked that one, it is not possible at all. Then he told that one, see, when the negative thoughts come, when it comes, it don't have the energy. So that time, if you remove that negative thought, you pluck it and remove it with the positive thoughts, you are done. But once it's become a tree, that's what I told you. I done this experiment in 2003-4 on the asthma. See, when I came to the Bangalore in that 18, 17 years back, that breathing problem, like I also felt that breathing got issues. Even that is 17 years of all these things, little bit of issue. I was doing yoga, everything, but I felt because I'm going on the bike to take yoga classes and my MSc in yoga and all these things. So I used to be, like I get a lot of this pollution, Silburka pollution and everything. So then I done the experiment. I used to feel very uncomfortable. Then like a 20, 21 days, I just keep on thinking, oh, it should be not asthma or it is like asthma. I'll tell you by the end of the month, actually, I really developed the breathing disorder. Then after I took a call and I decided, no, let me work on my health now. And next 2 months, I done the Jalneti, Vamandoti very continuously and everything. And I provided the positive thought to my mind that when it is nothing like that way, it is completely clean and everything. Now, from last 17 years, 16 years, nothing is there. So your mind, it's very important. So this positivity works a lot. So how you feel? Can anybody share their experience in the group? How you felt the moment you throw that in the dustbin? How you felt? How you felt? Or you didn't felt anything? Yes, this is the first thing. You'll feel light, definitely. You can do this exercise lot of time exactly, You'll get lot of relief. You'll get peace, happiness, joy. You'll feel okay, fine. At least you understand the root cause of the issue. We'll work on that one. Anyway, now coming back to the important point now, what we will talk about today, immune system or the weight loss and everything. I'll tell you, not only immune system or the weight loss, you'll get so many benefits if you follow whatever action points I'm going to you. Smile on your face, Vidur Naidu. Awesome, my dear friend. That's what you want, correct? The life is not to take anything seriously, my dear friends. I'll tell you, it's a relief, and you'll get a lot of relief. You follow this, all these small, small techniques. We talk about big, big things and big, big solution. No, actually, the big problem has a very simple, very precise solution. You don't require psychiatrist to treat you every time, like for your negativity. Understand that there is a negativity and work on it. That is more than enough. Okay, I'm talking about some technical part now. See, this immunity. What is immunity, my dear friend? See, I'm just getting this definition from the, like a Wikipedia. Immunity is derived from the Latin word immunis, meaning to be exempted from. Exempted from means what? In the ability of organism to resist a particular infection or toxin by the action of specific antibodies or sensitized white blood cells. The immune system is a system of biological structure and process within an organism that protect against the disease. Now, this is a definition of the immune system. How much you understand, it's fine. But I'll tell you, this is immune system is nothing but your fighting cells. Your fighting mechanism of the body. See, there are lakhs and crores of viruses. Human being is not able to even identify 360 plus viruses till now. Actually, telling honestly, means their genome structure and everything. There is a crores of viruses are there. And in your body, the whole mechanism is made of the bacteria and viruses, my dear friend. Only thing is that one now good bacteria, bad bacteria, good virus. Like there is nothing called as a good virus, bad virus. But virus is a mechanism actually. Like that's what will be there. How you fight, how your immune system is there. But your immune system is depends on what? That all the seven things I told to you, it depends on your body's fighting spirit. It depends on your pranic shakti, jivni shakti, life force, vitality. Now people, like a doctor gives you everything, surgery, he gives you the, like a lot of medicine, like drugs, but doctor don't give you the basic things. Actually, honestly telling, he is not, but actually, at least for modern medicine or allopathic system, um, who is the father of, like a modern medicine or allopathy system? Anybody know who is the father of the modern medicines or allopathy system? Anybody knows? Actually, it is written even in the slides also. If you see it in doubt, it is written exactly there. And all doctors takes the oath on his name exactly. Like there is called as a Hippocratic oath. So actually, Hippocrates is known as the father of modern medicine. Mm, Anyway, it's a debatable, but it's like okay, it's Sushruta and all these people was there and all. But anyways, known. But he's given the beautiful statement. This statement is the basis of Ayurveda. But actually, he studied the whole Ayurveda, and based on that one, he modified, and this little bit of modern medicine system comes up. So let the food be the medicine, and the medicine be the food. See, the persons who even started the modern medicines talks about a simple things. Let your food be the medicine and medicine be the food. Means understand, even you don't have the problem, still your food is the medicine. And if you have the problem now, even in the food will be the medicine. Understand? So basics of treating your disease or treating your problem lies into the food. We can talk about this one. There is only two types of food if you really come to the category: alkaline food and acidic food. Now we require both of them, but we require 90% plus alkaline food and 10% acidic food. You can test with the help of the pH value. You will get a strips, pH strips. You can just test it that one. So 7 pH is known as a normal. So if you are in between that 6 to 7, 7, 8 range exactly, it's called as a natural and normal. If it is more, it's too much of acidic. Too less, it's like a too much of alkalinity is also the issue. Too much of acidity also is the issue. Now coming to the immunity and everything, I am again and again telling that one. See, this food is the medicine and medicine is the food. See, now for the immunity system, whatever food I explain here, this is exactly will be increase your immune system right away. So beta carotene, like orange veggies, carrot and everything, they are the one thing which will be increase your immune system like anything. Then citrus fruits and veggies. Then nuts and the seeds. Then most important part is the D3 and the B12 vitamin. If your D3 and B12 is not proper, all these other things will be go for toss. So now either get it in a natural way or get it from the supplement. I was not a big fan of the supplement or not even also, but sometimes there is no option. So take it. Then I told you again, sleep, sleep, sleep. Enough sleep is just as important for good health as a nutrition and exercise. So it plays a very important role. I'm talking about again and again. Then come to the very important part. A lot of people will be maybe most got connected and they may be interested into the weight loss. Now I had a lot of programs on the weight loss and everything, but I had a program called as a spiritual diet, actually, which was created a miracle in a lot of people's lives. Compared to the, like I have the program of the 8 days, 3 days, 7 days, 21 days, and they given me the marvelous and beautiful result. Today I'm going to offer you free 3 days program that you can do and you can see the immediate effect and you can get the immediate result exactly. But weight loss is a state of mind. Weight loss is depends on a lot of different factors. Now, how to get weight loss? First thing that when your mind has to get clean and it has to be feel that when you have to be go to your normal BMI, it has to go to the where you can feel very lean and healthy. Now, definitely the calories is an important criteria, but I'll tell you a simple technique for weight loss. A mindfulness eating is the beautiful secret to first step to the weight loss. Then completely cleaning your mind system, getting rid of all the problems, whatever there is there in your body and the mind, removing them can create a miracle. See, actually, I was talking about a lot of basic cause, like a parental disapproval syndrome, or the unconscious or unearthed death urge, actually, or like a negative self-image, or like negative people around you. Actually, they are call of your lot of problem you are including the weight. People will not understand now. But now, whatever program I'm going to give you for the next 3 days, I'll tell you that program itself in 3 days will be lose your weight. So minimum of 1 to 2 kgs exactly. It depends on the person to person, but it will be reduced on an average 1 kg weight for every person. So I'm going to give 3 days action schedule. If you follow that one, it's going to reduce your weight. It's going to increase your immune system like anything. It's going to make you full proof from the any viruses, including the coronavirus. And actually, my one of the mentor actually used these techniques even to treat a corona patient. Indian government not allow, but a lot of people is got treated into the foreign countries and he got a result. So hundreds of people just using these techniques reverse and completely clean their corona. See, this is a big claim now, but I can give you the link of his videos also. You can see. But anyway, that's what he's claiming, and that's what is the parts. And he done it practically, and I've seen that one in even in my own system. Now coming to the very important part, take up practical steps. See, theory is theory. Theory don't bring transformation. Planning is planning. Planning is don't make anything. You have beautiful plan for the house, but house is not get constructed. You have a beautiful plan to go to the gym or go to the work and do everything in your life, but nothing is work. So if anyone want to really get the result, please follow my 3 days plan. This 3 day plan itself will take your immune system to different level. It will reduce your weight. It will be detoxify your body and n number of advantages. So this is a 3 day diets. Actually, you give for we give this one even for in the case of swine flu or even H1N1 like that swine flu is H1N1 and different types of fever. I'll tell you if you have the even whatever type of fever, just use this diet for the 3 days. Your fever will be going 3 to 4 days. So this is a 3 days program. How many of you are excited to know about this 3 days program? Type into the this like a type into the box. I am 100% interested to know about this 3 days program. Only after you type this one, I will go to the next 3 days program. So this is a liquid diet, fluid diet, and the normal diet. So there is a 3 days proper schedule. And if you follow that one, you can cure the disease. Actually means it help you to like increase your immune system. It help you detoxification. Write the full statement. Write down. I am 100% interested to know about this 3 days program. 6, 7 people write. I want everybody to write. And this is something different exactly. Now you are not done in last time, but this is something very beautiful. And I'm giving you exactly ready-made program. Don't put your head anything, not anything. But if anybody has any medical condition, then I will have a request. Please consult one to one. If anybody has a medical condition, but if you are healthy and everything, then it is like taking you to the next level. If you have the fever, you can use it. But if you have the diabetes, blood pressure, mainly diabetes, actually, I'm a little bit worried about that one. Why? Because in diabetes, sugar will be go down very badly. And now you take the insulin top of this program, your sugar will be go very down. You will get maybe the some type of problem. Or you have the blood pressure now. Your blood pressure is already low blood pressure, and if you take this diet, it will go more down. Yeah, if you have high blood pressure, no issue because it will take out your blood pressure down. So the beautiful 3 days program, practical, work practically. There is no use of theory. I really fed up with these theoretical things. I stop. I stop because it don't work. So let's come to this program now. See, I given you already a program, proper structure. Day one is a liquid diet. Means like I'll give you example like if you want to do this program, I will suggest you to do this program Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. If possible, you can take Monday as a off also. I will tell you, see the rest is one of the best thing. Sometimes take a rest. Sometimes work anyway you are working from home, so it's fine. But don't take a stress and tension, don't travel, don't go outside. do this 3 days program with 100%. So this is a simple program. Don't put your mind too much and everything. I'm not pressing you to do a lot of yoga or exercise or anything. I'm just giving this part. If you do yoga and everything top of this one exercise, this will take you to the next level. But definitely this is a 3 days program. So in breakfast, you can take minimum 2 coconut water, tender coconut water. You can take up to 5. Now your potassium will be little bit increased, but it is absolutely fine. Your liver knows how to manage it. So in your breakfast, you will take 2 to 5 coconut water. Depends on your hungerness, depends on your these things. So please organize that one for tomorrow, and you can start this program from tomorrow. Then lunch, you have to take specifically orange juice. So you can take 2 to 3 glass, 4 glass, 5 glass, whatever orange juice you want. But if you have sugar, I told you, please consult me separately if you have any type of disease condition. Yeah, but it is only the fever, it is only the headache, or it is just like that small things, then no issue. But if you have some chronic conditions, then you have to please consult to me. So lunch, you have to be take as many glasses of orange juice you can drink. 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glass, 4 glass, 5 glass. I don't have restrictions. I don't have restrictions. Till you feel the buff or till you feel the feel, please drink the juice. This will cleanse your body. You'll see a lot of stool will be come out. You will go more to the washroom. Everything is fine. Then evening, I'll suggest you to finish your Mossambi juice, the third part. Evening, you have to take the Mossambi juice. You can take again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 glasses. I don't mind. But I will recommend you to do it before 7 o'clock. Then what will happen before 10 o'clock? Whole system will be get clean and you'll get a peaceful sleep. Sometimes you'll feel hungry also. But whenever you feel hungry, only thing is to take is the warm water. Only thing is to take a warm water and your unwanted that signal will be go down. So this is your breakfast part, lunch part and dinner part for the first day. So it's clear to everyone. And if I'm going to take some questions and answer, I'm going to keep some time for the other discussion also. Second day, beautiful part. Breakfast is same. Breakfast is same 2, 3, 4, 5 tender coconuts, whatever you can drink. You know, like on an average, when I done this program, 2 to 3 glasses goes very easily. Afterwards, you feel full. Means I get a buff after the third coconut water actually. So that time you'll take breakfast that one. Lunch, you have to eat as many carrot and as many cucumber you can eat. Very simple. I'm giving you very simple, but in after 3 days, I'll tell you you're going to save your lakhs of rupees. You're going to take your health to the next level. Your immune system is going to increase so highly. And if anybody has any type of even the fever or little bit of headache and everything, it will be run away. Yeah, but maybe some people can get some type of healing crisis also. So I'll recommend to go to my like a YouTube channel. I will request my any of my like a person from my group is there to please put that YouTube link, or I will share this YouTube link, or you can ask me. So healing crisis. See, when the bodies get cleansing, you get a healing crisis sometime. Healing crisis means what? Like suppose in your childhood you have some type of infection or some type of typhoid you got. Now what will happen when you will do, suppose today I'm a healthy person, so I don't have any problem. But when I'll start this diet actually for next 3 days, there are chances that when I will get a fever actually. Instead of curing the fever, sometime I'll get a fever. But that fever will be last for only one day. Why? Because it's actually addressing your root cause. Or somebody has a pimples, his pimple will be increased for 1 or 2 days, and then they will go from the root. So understand that is a healing crisis. So this is just the webinar. So I cannot give you the whole knowledge to you, but I'm just giving you the trigger points. So everybody's, I hope so, everybody's with me. Second day, there is a simple change, and the change is in your lunch. In lunch, you can eat cucumber and tomato as many as you want. Cut them in a small pieces and enjoy them nicely. Dinner, you have the Mossambi as well as orange juice. So variety is there. So you can have the 1 or 2 glass of orange juice, 1 or 2 glass of the Mossambi juice, no issue. So this is second day fluid diet. Why fluid diet? Because we are put the natural vegetables also, and we have the liquid diet also. That's why it's called fluid diet. But it will be take care of the any type of the flu. Please understand this one. So I am making you a immune system proof. Means like I'm making your immune system so strong that you cannot going to be suffer for anything. Then third day we come to the normal part exactly. So your breakfast will be again same. I'll tell you what is the reason behind keeping the breakfast reason, because it will be heal your body a lot. because like evening 7 o'clock you took the dinner, then around there is a 14 hours of fasting. So you are getting the benefit of the fasting also. Please understand in this one, you are getting the benefit of the fasting also, because if you are done your evening juice by 7 o'clock, anyway that juice will be get digested within 20 minutes. So anyway you are getting around like a 17 to 18 hours of fasting, actually telling honestly, for these 2 3 days exactly, and that going to create a miracle. Second day, breakfast is coconut water. You can add the orange juice and the mosambi juice if you want in the breakfast, no issue at all. Liquid part. Then lunch, again there is a more tomato and more cucumber. And even if you want, I just want to keep some time because the vegetables works different when fruits work different way, but it's okay. If you want, then you can take the juice first and then you can eat the tomato and the cucumber. Then evening, you are going to come back to the normal life. So evening, make a moong dal khichdi, a delicious moong dal khichdi, adding all the vegetables possible. Now the people who know about the enema and they can do enema, please do all the 3 days enema because it will take out your toxins from the root. It will be like a different experience for them. So now this khichdi, I'll ensure you that will put a very little amount of rice, little amount of moong dal, but put more of the vegetables like carrot, more of the like if you want to add the beetroot, if you want to add a little bit of the capsicum and all these things, you can add cucumber, not cucumber, sorry, what is that one? Coriander, and everything you can add to this one. The carrots are very delicious in this khichdi. Eat as many carrots you want to add and make that khichdi like a liquid type of soup type of khichdi. And I'll tell you that will change your life. So this is your 3 days beautiful simple plan. Please commit to it for the next 3 days and see what's happening to you. Next, this is your action plan now. So before I take a questions answer session, I have this beautiful action plan for all of you. Please commit to this action plan. This will transform your life. And what is this action plan? See this 3 days program. As I promise, and I don't want, so that's why I'm not even like talking about. But actually, I created the complete module on the exercise and how to do from the morning to evening, and the WhatsApp support, phone support, and everything for the people. But I don't want to talk that things into this program now. But I have that 3 days completely these things. Anybody is interested, please contact me separately. But as of now, it is fine if you are healthy and you want to go to the next level, or you are just having the weight issue, or you have some just little bit of sinus issue, or if you have little bit of problem, you can bindas follow this diet. So first important takeaway from this today's webinar is that one, please do this 3 days plan. How many of you commit to do this 3 days plan? How many of you are ready to take this one in the next 3 days? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Don't wait for that one. The life is not having the another ideal timing. If you don't have any challenges of traveling or anything, please take this as a challenge. This is like a 3 day challenge. 3 day this immune booster and weight loss program is the most important takeaway from all of you. How many of you take? So Prashant is accepted that challenge. How many you can accept? I'll tell you, your mind level will be changed with this program. If you are very anxious or you are depressed or you are having a lot of negativity, this program will be changed that one. Very good, Sureka, 100% sure. Yeah, definitely. Like forget about that one. I really don't want to talk about that one now because that is all the very, like a contradicting topics and everything. So please take the challenge. Leela is accepted challenge. Deepa is accepted challenge. Vidur is accepted challenge on the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Fine. It is depends on your choice, but take any 3 days and work on this program. Why I told Saturday, Sunday? Because you don't have the office work, you don't have any other work. I seen only 5 6 people. Please come up. I want to see how many of you can take. This is a challenge I'm throwing to all of you. Forget about the knowledge. Please experiment it on. Bhua Lakshmi take it. Pallavi take it. Ravikant Reddy is taking. Please take this challenge. Like a life will be changed, my dear friend. A lot of people putting the private messages. Be open up. Tell the whole world. Not a problem at all. What's the issue? Nothing. So please accept the challenge. And that is very important part. Now, second part, please understand alkaline and acidic food. I'll tell you whatever is made into the God factory, means whatever food made by the God is called as the alkaline food. Very simple. All your vegetable, fruits, dry fruits, some of the dry fruits little bit alkaline, acidic, but 90% of them like alkaline. So whatever is made by the nature or naturally, they are all alkaline food. So the first challenge for all of you to take, consume 80% food. See, I'm talking about now generalize. See, this is a 3-day challenge which will be give you, Sureka is accepted. So this will be give the immediate result. Do it and see it. No theory. Please, I'll tell you, no use. You attend hundreds of webinars. You can get a whole expertise PhD into alkaline food and acidic food and plant-based nutrition and all this part. But if you're not applying in your life, nothing is going to happen. You can see, like a people who are having the high BMI, their weight will be go to 2 to 3 kg in just in 3 days. You don't require very high-fi program and follow. Your immune system will increase, and you can test your pH also. See, this is what I given the first point. Now, action points. I'm talking about some action points to you. Please take a picture of this slide, or you can take even the what is that print screen. Keep it with you, or even I can share you with this one also. Not a problem. So, consume 80% food that is alkaline forming and immune booster food. I'll tell you all the alkaline food is the immune booster food. All fruits, vegetable, natural food comes into that one. So ensure that when you consume, this is your normal lifestyle. I'm telling you about that one. Means like apart from this 3-day challenge, 3 days you see everything is alkaline, except third day that khichdi comes, and the khichdi when it comes to like your dal also like a dal or the rice is also acidic if it is polish. So your grains and everything is not come to this one. Somebody's talking about the Israel food and everything. Yeah, I studied a lot of different type of keto diets, GM diet, like a plant-based diet, Dr. Bernal diet, Dr. Vishnu Chaudhary diet. So many of them I studied. But I'm giving you the very simplified, proper plan. No formula, no tension, no worried, nothing exactly. Just take whatever I told you and see. And whenever you feel the hungry, take the warm water. Then second thing is that when you can test your pH frequently. How to test the pH? You will get a pH strips. Now you can take your saliva, or you can take like your saliva. Means you like just take a saliva. There is the instructions given in the scripts box, and just see, and it will show you that one how much is your acidic body and alkaline body. Even the values are given there. So test your acidity, and this one you'll find out 95% people are acidic actually. Then after mindful eating, see, I want to talk a little bit about this one. What is the important? Can anybody tell me, like what is the most important thing in our life? There are a lot of people actually who done my program, or there are a lot of program people who are part of my coaching system itself, so they know in and out. Talking about these things every day. Mindfulness, mindful eating. Even I have created the flow chart for that one, but I'm just telling you that one very simple here. Mindful eating is that one, when you eat, give your 100%, chew for 32 times. Another secret of the weight loss, another secrets of getting your life to the next level. But what I'm asking you now, what is the most important thing in our life? Can anybody tell me what is the most important thing in your life? Please write into the comment box, in your chat box. Please write. Let's have a little bit interaction. This is not a preaching session, dear friend. Please, this is not a preaching session. Take something, do something, and transform something. That's what. No, life is there, but what is the most important thing in the life? Ishwar is telling health and food, happiness. Okay, somebody talks about happiness, somebody talking about the mental peace. They come to this one. Can you tell me where is the actually happiness and mental peace lies? See, I'm touching the very important point here now. I'm talking about mindfulness. See, Dilip is telling about the ear now. See, this is what happened. Like people miss the train, people miss the bus exactly. After telling this same thing, healthy body. Now somebody's talking about that one. See, all the answers are correct. Telling honestly, all answers are correct. But there is something very important. When I'm talking about mindfulness, please understand that one. Something I'm talking about the mindfulness. And what is mean by mindfulness? Can anybody put what is meant by mindfulness? Whether put positivity, something come to the closure. Very good. Who is this SD? Can you just elaborate who is the SD? I don't know. It's a short form. Who is SD? I'll be other special gift for that person. She is actually catch. Who is the SD? Please can just elaborate that SD. Who is that SD? Afterwards, everybody is giving that answer, but I want to give some gift to the SD. Who is SD? Being in the present. Actually, he or she is the first person given the correct answer. Now, afterwards, who is the SD? Srila. Okay, I don't know, Srila. Actually, you are from Intel or somewhere. I don't know anyway. So, Srila, please connect me after that one. I'll definitely have the special gift for you. So that is what is there. Your happiness, joy, peace, everything lies in the this moment. Nowadays, how you eat? You want some news to be going on. You want some YouTube to be going on. You want some messages to be checked. You want somebody to playing. You are talking and you are eating. Actually, I'm telling that is not a mindful eating. It's exactly feeling every moment. Yes, Pallavi, that's absolutely right. Yes, Dilip, living in the present. Yeah, Ram, living healthy, living everything is there. But where the happiness lies in this moment. I'll tell you, whenever I go to Vipassana, whenever I go to the naturopathy centers for my own treatments, or whenever I do fasting, you see the importance of the food only when you are into that present moment. I'll tell you, I really enjoy the food only into the Vipassana center, where you sit, you're already doing around 18 hours of meditation, then you sit, you are not talking with anybody, you are already in silence. For 11 days, there is a silence in Vipassana. Now you sit and you get, after evening 5 o'clock, they give you some type of snacks. Then directly you get a food in the morning, 6, 7 o'clock next day. Now you are hungry also. Definitely. Sometimes you get little bit hungry because there is not there. Top of that, when your mind is very relaxed. And then you sit and then you start eating. You start one that crust. I'll tell you the eyes are getting closed. And I'll tell you that food is become like a nectar. But actually telling food is very simple. There is no onion, there is no garlic, nothing is there. Food is very simple, but still it is so tasty that you cannot imagine at all. Why? Because of the mindful eating. So please do the prayer. I will take that questions exactly intermittent fastings when I've done this particular part. So I'll be other question answer session definitely. So this is mindful eating. So please sit and just take it down very gently, simply. That is called mindful eating. Then I told you about acid forming foods. Anything actually which is made into the factory, anything which is a packaged food, anything which is come from the animal sources, anything which is a processed food is called as the acid forming food. So you can yourself understand now. Nowadays we are eating 90 to 95% of the acid food, and we are eating only 5% of the alkaline food. So that's what I ask you to add lot of alkaline food in your life. Then one important instructions to all of you, drinking water. Please drink water only in sitting position. Never drink water in the standing position. Actually, drinking water in the standing position is cause of the lot of arthritis problem, joint problem, weak muscles, and kidney issue. Now coming to the important point again and again, maybe I think so, at this point I talks at least 10 to 15 times in this webinar. Sleeping. Now sleeping before 10 p.m. has a miraculous effect, and sleeping for 8 hours is very different than sleeping for the 6 hours. Can you see the brain? This is brain picture actually. Means like what are the activities happening in the brain? See, your brain it goes to a very different level when you sleep for the 8 hours. This is all practically and scientifically proved, but it should be a quality sleep. It should be quality sleep. So now this was the exactly the point. So please type what is your takeaway, which is the most important things we'll follow. I want everybody to take, see, this is the only slide actually, I'll tell you. Following this 3-day immune booster program, alkaline food and that 3 days complete part, like liquid diet. Then afterwards, you'll have the combination of the liquid and solid, and then again combination of the liquid and solid, and going to the natural food. Means sorry, conventional food. And then I given you 6 very important point. Apart from that 7 points I talk about you again, that's going to create your health. That is your sleep, sunlight, air, water, food, positive thinking, keeping negativity away from the people. So these are the 7. But you see that one I cover again that one. But this is the action plan. So take it as a challenge and work on this one. So this is very very important, and I'll tell you. So before take a questions, I really want to thanks each and every persons who is in this particular chat now. But take what you're going to do. So some people means I think around 20-25 people are committed for the 3 days program. Some people are committed for some other things. But please write your one takeaway. Before we start our 15 minutes of the question answer session, I want you to type what is your biggest takeaway from this webinar till now. I really don't want to talk more. I can give you so much of knowledge that you cannot even digest. Hundreds of books I have written, I have the notes, I have read, everything is there full of this one, but it don't work. So I'll take these questions one by one, but I want everybody to type before I go to the next level. what is your biggest takeaway and how you're going to implement in your life. I want you to write down in your diary, then you can put in the WhatsApp group or you put into this group now, but at least write something. What is your biggest takeaway from this webinar? I don't want to give the more, points to all of you, but please write what is your biggest takeaway from this webinar. Somebody's talking about mindfulness. I'll tell you that is the secret of the happiness, life, and everything. Yes, mindfulness eating is like a miraculous one. Yes, sleeping is the best medicine. Yes, RPM. Who is RPM? I don't know, but that is perfectly right. Sleeping is the best medicine in the world. And a lot of problems are happening because of that one. So Ishwar is telling need to take care of our body and you take care of our health. Yes, your body is the only instrument. Yes, pranic healing, alkaline food, living in the present moment. So many points are there. Feeling the present moment, that's what is there. Positivity is the secret. That's what is the secret, my dear friend. Living in the moment is the secret. That's what there is a beautiful probe I use always every time in my coaching system. Past brings the tears, future brings the fear. Only things which is give the happiness, joy, and everything is the present. This present moment. Alkaline food, everything. Each point is important, but what is connected to you more? Very important. Yes, stay away from negative people and live in the present. Yes, Vidur, I'm absolutely agree. See, this is the one important point. Yes, immunity is very simple. Just work on that one. There are each and every part is very important. But let's me take now question answer because it's exactly 4:15 now. So we'll be sharply closing the session at 4:30 as I promised. So we'll take a questions answer now. So the first question I think so somebody's asked about the intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is the one thing actually there is a different type of fasting already. There is a water fasting, there is a fruit fasting, there is a intermittent fasting, there is a long duration fasting, there is a small duration fasting, there is a one time eating food fasting. It's called ekasana, dvayasana. There is so many things out there. But there is a Japanese scientist who actually got a Nobel Prize recently in the area for where he proved um, the concept of paraphagy, means how our own cells eat a weak and negative cells or maybe like unwanted cells and how recharge your body. Now this intermediate fasting is around 12 to 14 hours per day. Means exactly suppose you've taken your dinner at 7 o'clock in the night, then you can take your next breakfast at 9 o'clock. So you can eat from the 9 and before the 7 o'clock. So then you maintain that 12 to 14 of hours of gap. That is called as aerophagy. Means like your cells are eating their own cells exactly. So it's a beautiful concept and it is there into the our system from long time. Yukta Ahar or even the Jainism system, it is all fasting. So you have to decide. See, and the fasting itself is therapy. I use fasting as a therapy into my coaching system. I have the people who are, interested to further some type of disease reversal. People are interested some type of the weight reversal, and these all people. So we use the fasting as a tool, and fasting can create the miracles. Actually, I've seen that fasting actually creates the miracle for the cancer patient. But actually, people give the wrong advice that cancer patient require too much of food, and they keep on eating too much of the food, which is actually causing the death to them. Exactly, it's a big concept itself. Exactly, milk is absolutely acidic. I told you already, which is come from the animals is 100% acidic and milk is 120% acidic, not even 100%. And it's cause of lot of issues. Anand is asking, Mosambi and orange are acidic food, but you are, who told you first thing is exactly? That is the biggest problem with the people. There is some, like a knowledge, which is a half knowledge, which create lot of issue into the world. See, uh, their tendency, see, a lot of people think lemon is acidic. See, that one exactly is that one. It is initially acidic, which create alkalinity into your body. That's why I told you that all citrus fruits is required. Citrus is acid. What is there? But it's get converted into alkaline in your body. And this is a big subject of discussion exactly. But telling honestly, they are the best in the alkaline food. They are not the acidic one. It's a wrong information because they are the citrus. Citrus is acid, but citrus is the best for your health. So please understand when citrus goes to your body, it's become alkaline and it's do lot of healing to your body. You cannot even imagine how much healing it does to your body. That's why we are using that one. And it get digested within a seconds, within a minute exactly. Like a few minutes, it will get digested. And it takes your immune system to next level. So your body's energy, pranic shakti is not wasted on digestion. Did you understand the mechanism of this one? Thanks, Anand, actually. And please, like a thanks for not even instead of, lot of times we have a lot of knowledge actually, extra knowledge. I had this problem. I was thinking, oh no, lemon is very dangerous for the people with the pitta. Means the people who have the acidic problem, lemon should not given. But actually, I'm giving lemon very specifically the people with the acidic problem, and their acidity is going completely. Giving them the lemon. Correct? Lemon is acidic as per the lot of things. But when the lemon goes, it's create a lot of alkaline effect on our body. So this is our very, very important. Yes. See, this is again hereditary is a wrong concept. See, please understand hereditary and the environment. See that your father or mother has diabetes and you got diabetes. Like a genes plays the 3% role and 97% role is the environment. Now, why your father mother got diabetes? Because their father mother has. But what was the common factor in them apart from the genes? Is the environment preferences. See, your mother father is like eating a bread, a biscuits, or they're eating too much of milk products, or they are into the some type of environment where the eating habits are very different, or where the environment where their stress level is very high. Now, this all hereditary things will be there. They can be cause you, but I have a lot of people who are prevented. Even their whole family has diabetes, but that person is prevented completely. I have so many of case study like that. So it is definitely can be prevented. So somebody is asking me private window. His name is also Rakesh. So I don't know. His name is also Rakesh or something. Then Vinita is asking me connection problem. Anyway, Mosambin orange I took. So any more questions? Milk is acidic. Pallavi, I told about that one. Any other questions? Hereditary can be changed by changing our lifestyle and eating habits. Yes, absolutely. See, hereditary means what? You are staying in the same climate, same environment, same house. So it's very simple. Like it's very simple to give one biscuit packet into the tiffin box of the kids because you don't have time to prepare the food, or give them the bread butter jam every day, and that will cause them the diabetes definitely. Hereditary can absolutely change, my dear friend. We've seen a lot of good effect, lot of miraculous effect actually exactly in this particular system. So guys, how much can we give it to kids? How much you can give to kids? Pallav is asking something. What is that? So you people are putting some private chat and everything, so I'm not understanding. And then you people are talking with each other and then you are coming into the group. So I'm not understanding that one. So please keep it as a common chat. Don't put in the private. It was wonderful. I would like to thank you a lot for sharing. Yeah, thank you, Anand. No issue at all. Absolutely fine. As I promised, I don't want to talk anything else apart from this particular part. If you don't have the question answer, we are fine. We can close the session now. There is a lot of buzz around millets nowadays. Do you want to say something about it? Yes. See, millets is like don't come into the directly into the grains. And actually, millets is a old food in of the India compared to the grains because grains came recently. And millets can cause you the miracle in your life, but there is a way you have to soak the millets, you have to do them properly, and you have to eat them properly. So millets can be really help. It's a beautiful science behind the millet eating, and it's very good for the diabetic people. It's good for the people who have the heart problem and all these things. So millet is a very good solution compared to the grains because wheat itself is having a lot of negative effect. Milk, no, no. Lot of time, some little bit if you add in your tea and take, okay. I don't want, but milk is no, no. Anything which is come from the animal source is no, no into the plant-based nutrition. That's why I combine all the best systems all together and try to make it how much is possible. See, but one message I want to give, like a something is better than nothing. Now, if you cannot change your life completely 360-degree complete transformation, but small, small changes will give you the long-term and beautiful effect. So I'm not telling you, okay, leave everything and become a sannyasi or become a saint and like live the life of like that. No, please understand that particular part. And smile is the best medicine. We have the courses like journal writing, which is actually take care of your mind. We have the courses like a vision board creation. We have the courses like a diabetic reversal program, toxin loss program. We have Ikigai 1.0, Ikigai 2.0 program for finding your life and everything. So please, I don't want to ask anything from you. I'm really doing this program today not just to ask anything from you. So I really don't want to even give the link of my YouTube channel to you. But if you want to connect it with me and you feel that when we are authentic, we are honest, please connect it to our any of the group and continue this journey. This is the journey actually. And with a lot of time we required a danda. Somebody required a coach. We required somebody to, inspire up a lot of time. So even we are doing the 21 days live restart program. Please join that one, watch that video, and we can make you sure. Any alternatives you want to suggest for them to drink? Yes, see, this is like what we do, what we make them to test. See, there is a beautiful non-animal milks are available nowadays, even ready-made. But it's very simple things. Just put the 4 badams, soak them night, morning, just remove their skin and put in the mixie and put the water. You will get a badam milk ready. And then put little bit of the cardamom, put little bit of the like a cinnamon powder, put little bit of the date powder, and you give to them. Children will be love it. Yes, and anybody above the age of 12, 13, 12, they can be get, they can do this program. Even that below that weight also can they do it, but you require some type of like a monitoring or something, then that is a problem. So that's what I don't want to talk into the public forum about that one. But like any healthy person, anybody who don't have a very chronic medical condition, anybody above the age of 12 or 12 years also, they can do this program. No issue at all. So the badam milk, kaju milk, cashew milk is there. Afterwards, soybean milk you can create, but I have a little bit doubt about soybean, so I'm not this postponing that one. Coconut milk is one of the best thing. Give the coconut milk to your kids, and I'll tell you they will be like strong, best, glowing skin, black hair, and all these benefits will be there. So thank you guys. If you know have more questions, I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every person into this chat. I cannot see everybody's name, so I cannot see, but I want to thanks to each and every person. So let's spread this message to everyone. Um, Nothing else from all of you. So let's all of us together will chant the closing prayer. This is a Shanti mantra. Let's pray for the well-being of the each and every person on this earth. So please repeat whatever I'm telling inside your mind. Oh God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashid dukkha bhavet. Let everybody happy on this earth. Let nobody can suffer any type of misery and sorrows, any type of issues. Let everybody get all the abundance. Sabka mangalo, sabka kalyano. Let everybody be happy, peaceful, joyful. Thank you very much. Let's pray for everybody's well-being. Thank you. Be blessed. Thank you, everybody. See you all.